Alright, everyone, I hope you are doing okay. Um, this is crazy for everyone on both sides, and I just really hope you're doing alright, and I hope that your families are doing okay and that you're cared for. Just know that if you need anything, you can definitely contact me via email, via Schoology, whatever means necessary, alright, and we will see what we can do to help you. I'm super excited for this journey that we're about to go on together. There is going to be some stuff that will go wrong, okay? Don't worry about that. All right, if something's not working and you can't get to today's stuff, do not worry. It will all be okay. We are going to work together. I am not trying to overwork you. We are trying to work together on this. All right, so for geometry, you'll click into our thing. Yes, okay. And the first thing I want to talk about is the calendar. If you look over here on the right and you click the little calendar, you'll see what we have coming up for that week. All right, for this week. And you can actually see what we have coming up for this entire sort of package that we're dealing with the coronavirus. Okay? So what that means is that right here it says Geometry Unit 1, Day 1. So that's what you're supposed to do is Unit 1, Day 1. Now what does that look like? You'll go out and you'll find the Unit 1 folder. In the Unit 1 folder, you will find the Unit 1, Day 1 sheet. Okay? And then it should have the day and the day's date, and it will tell you to watch this video, hence what we're doing right now. But I'm going to put this video actually on the front, so you're already doing that. Complete this survey, sign up for Delta Math. Once signed in, complete this little quiz. Alright? This little quiz is for me to know who's all actually going on Schoology. Who is getting the stuff, who's getting things done, who's signing up, and who I need to contact. Alright? So don't worry. You just need to make sure that you get the questions right so you can be done with it. Okay? Alright? Along with that, that's what the whole course is going to be, is that we have 4 units now. Alright? We're going to have Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, and that will all be shown in your calendar. Alright? So whenever in any doubt, follow along with what we have on the calendar. Yes, this calendar is subject to change, meaning if things are not going well, we are just going to push stuff back. Alright, and once again, if you're having issues with things, do not hesitate to contact me. We will find a way to work around this. You are not alone. Everything will be just fine. Just work with me on this so that way we can get through this thing together. Alright, there's one more thing that I want to talk about. Okay, and it's this thing called conferences. So if you're on your Schoology page, okay, and you look over at these things on the left, there's this thing called conferences. Alright, if you click on that, you're not going to actually see anything. Okay, but what I'm going to do is we're probably going to have daily conferences, or I'm going to try to have daily or weekly or something like that, where we have time to talk webcam based. Okay, so what will be happening is that there's going to be a little thing that's so let me just show you. Create new conference, conference name test. Okay, start time. What day is it? The 26th. Okay, and then I'd create it. Okay, and then you would see this conference. All right, and then you would hit start conference. Okay. And then you would join in, and then we'd be able to communicate through Schoology in real time so I can help answer questions. Okay? Alright, I know this is a lot to take in, but trust me when I say that we can get through this and that we're going to be better because of it. Alright? I miss you all like crazy, and I can't wait till we get to be back with each other again.